Welcome to Sujan Fun Kitchen for a 3-in-1 South Indian combo of beans Parupusili, Sundakkai Vathakuzhambu and Araichu Vitta Rasam, which is mixed with rice. So first is beans Parupusili. So the benefits of beans is illustrated here, and also the Tur Dal and the benefits of Chana Dal. So we can just look up. So the first step for beans Parupusili will be soaking of the Tur Dal and Chana Dal along with the red chilies in water for 1 hour, at least 1 hour, or if you don't have time, in hot water for half an hour. Yeah, and then comes the grinding process. Grind the dals with the red chilies in a blender and chop the beans and keep it ready. So first, chop the beans and then grind the dals with the red chilies for the Parupusili into a coarse paste. So this is the paste for the Parupusili, beans Parupusili. And then this is the beans, and one important step is save some dal, 1 tablespoon or so, for the rasam, for the Araichu Vitta Rasam. So this is some dal saved from the Parupusili. And then the tomatoes, the rasam powder, black pepper and jeera. So this would, you need to grind all this. The rasam powder and then the tomatoes. This is 1 big tomato. And then the jeera and the black pepper. Grind all this, adding water to a smooth gravy. Make it a gravy. Add water and grind it together to make it into a gravy for the rasam. Make it a smooth gravy. So this is for the Araichu Vitta Rasam. And then you keep it aside because our first dish will be beans Parupusili. So keep this aside. And then this is the cooker. I kept the beans first along with the turmeric. Little add turmeric to the beans. And then on top of it place the dal for the Parupusili, the ground dal, and then steam it lightly. Actually we need only 4 to 5 minutes of steaming like idli. So don't place the weight valve, just steam it like idli for 4 to 5 minutes. So this is enough, just a little bit non-sticky. So this is ready, the dal is steamed and ready. Take it out and continue cooking the, this is steamed, and so continue cooking the beans. Actually I added the weight valve on top of the cooker and just gave 1 whistle, so it was cooked. So now take a pan and heat till oil, and that is best for this beans Parupusili. Splutter mustard seeds and then add urad dal, whole or broken. Mine is whole urad dal, and then add hing or asafoetida. Add plenty of it because we are making a dal dish, beans Parupusili. And then add the steamed dal and then keep stirring. Now comes the most important part. Keep stirring and sauteing till it crumbles. The dal needs to crumble. It should be like this. It should look like this. Wow. And then add the cooked beans. I didn't show it, but this is the cooked beans into the crumbled dal. And then add beans, add salt to taste, and then toss everything together. Give it a toss, and yummylicious beans Parupusili is ready. So our first dish is complete. The second dish is the Araichu Vitta Rasam of the 3-in-1 combo. So boil the tamarind water and tomato together with salt. So let it cook till the raw smell of tamarind disappears. I used one small lemon sized tamarind for the tamarind water. So let this boil together, and when the raw smell of tamarind evaporates, add the gravy that we had made, the rasam paste gravy that we had made, add it, and then add coriander, and the rasam is ready. The Araichu Vitta Rasam is ready, and now goes the most interesting part, a little bit of ghee, and into the ghee splatter mustard seeds and then add this to the rasam. And also asafoetida into the hot ghee, and this goes into the Araichu Vitta Rasam, and our second dish of the 3-in-1 combo is ready. This Araichu Vitta Rasam has a lot of benefits, and let's go to the third item, the Sundakkai Vathakuzhambu. The benefits of tamarind are here, and now comes the process of Sundakkai Vathakuzhambu. First, fry the turkey berry in till oil, and then drain it of its oil, and then starts the process of the Sundakkai Vathakuzhambu. Start the tempering. First goes the mustard seeds, and then the methi seeds and Tur Dal. Fry them to a golden color, and then goes 2 spoons of sambar powder. Simmer your flame, and then toast it lightly, and then in goes the tamarind water. A big lemon-sized tamarind soaked in water should go into this tempering. Yes, add the tamarind water. Tamarind soaked in hot water. Big lemon-sized tamarind soaked in it. Yeah, pour it in, and then let everything come to a boil. Let everything boil without the turkey berry or the sundakkai. So when it's halfway boiling, add the sundakkai, and then let everything come together. Now goes in salt to taste, and then the asafoetida. Add the asafoetida, and this is jaggery. I forgot to tell you. Add a bit of jaggery, and then asafoetida. Yes. So let everything boiling together. So this is how Sundakkai Vathakuzhambu will look. And so mix this Vathakuzhambu and Araichu Vitta Rasam with white rice with Parupusili, beans Parupusili as side dish. So this is the 3-in-1 combo. So it's time to eat. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also